Hello everyone, I'm Marco from Axeltech. We're going to see today in XTV how to create some lower thirds for musical clips to display song information. So let's see, first of all, we're going to open the CG Composer and create a graphical template in order to accommodate our song information. I'm going to make it very simple. I'm going to use a shape in this case, but of course you can use an animation made maybe by After Effects with transparency. So use a QuickTime animation profile or a ProRes 444. Let's make this transparent. There you have it. Okay, let's put some text on it. Text, add, there it is. This will be our title. Okay, I'll put it here. Okay, I'm gonna put it on, just aligned it. Okay, and title is good. Let's put the name on it. Name must be data 1. That's how dynamic text works. Okay, let's copy this. Control C, Control V, put it down. There we have it. And this is going to be our artist. Okay, name, data 2. There we have it. Just a preview. There I have it. Let's add some timing information. How do I do this? I select all the objects, right click, and group. So I'm going to say that these guys come in at 0.5. They'd ask for 3.5, 0.5, 3.5. You want to do this if you have an animation and let the animation go for half a second and then your text appear. So this guy will be 4 seconds. Let's see what happens. Yeah, and there it is. Let's add some effects on it. So maybe you want your animations to come in from going on the right. So I'm going to do right and left here. That's how it looks. It was the opposite. Okay, so let's change it. Left and right. Okay, we're good. So let's save the template. Save as. I'm going to save it on the desktop like song info. And then save, replace it, yes, okay. So now I'm going to use the trimmer in order to add metadata to my video clips. So let's get Ace Wilder, and I'm going to delete all the metadata that was previously inside. So now I have a clean video clip. I'm going to go in CG, and here I have my CG layers. So it's going to be in the entrance layer. I will just briefly repeat. General layer goes from beginning to the end of the clip. Entrance layer, you can specify start time and duration. Exit layer, start time from the end and a duration. But these are actually on the same layer. So first you get general, then you get entrance, then it goes back to general, then it goes exit, and back to general again. On the same layer, only one template at a time. If you need more simultaneous layer, the extra layers from 1 to 10 will give you simultaneous layers. I'm just going to do it simple now. I'm going to go in the entrance layer, select my file from the desktop, which was the song info. There it is, got a preview. Okay, I'm going to put some timing information. Let's say that we want it from 5 seconds. Oh, the animation was 4 seconds inside the template, so I'm going to put 5 in order to be sure to show it all. Go for my dynamic data, and here I'm going to just copy and paste from here. So this is the artist, who was data 2, and this is the title, was data 1. There I have it. Paste. Okay, let's see a preview. Play. And wait till the time code gets to 5 seconds, and I should see my animation appear. There it is, coming in. Oh, I got a bar there. Let's take it out. Okay, so take that out. Okay, we're almost done. So now I'm going to save the metadata inside the file. I can exit my trimmer and go to the playout and see what happens. So I'm going to insert that clip is Wilder. I'm going to have a look at it. First of all, in the P column, I get a G. That means I do have graphics in the secondary events. And if I go to my edit clip, you can see that here is my metadata, which was imported automatically since it was injected with the extremer. Remember to put the Auto CG button on, or else all these secondary events will not be managed. Press the play button. This Wilder is on air, and at the 5th second, I will see my animation come up. It's a little small, but it's there. And then at the 10th second, it will just go away. Thank you for watching.